clean. Got the drawn out, know what I mean. Pull up, got Rob G on my team. Yeah, Rob G. Yeah, and Soup Mike. Came in this bitch like I'm riding bike. Yeah, know it's tight. Yeah, I'm feeling right. Got the microphone on all night. Hey, in the face with the new slicks. Coming through right in the beach. Pull up with your chick and some fresh new kicks. Hey, yeah, I know I'm about to pop my shit. I got a lot of shit. Hey, where the fuck am I to go? Pulling up, I got the drone pulled out, bro. I need to see how it sound on my oh yeah, I forgot I could turn this up. Smooth the tracks a little. Yeah. King Willis, what it sound like on your side, man? Trying to get. Yeah, hey man, I just went and got me a new mic. It be working good. Do you hear me? Hey, just told Billy I had to talk with him. Maybe he'll reach out about him. Got so much money, man, he bought the gym. Voice too low? Okay, let me work on that voice. Oh man, voice too low. Oh, hi, it's good now. I ain't even make no I ain't make no adjust. Okay, voice a little too low. Let me see if I can adjust. Hey, about to see if I can adjust. People say I'm not that enough. It's like I'm hush. Hey, yeah, pull up in the bus when it ain't no room on the street. Can't park at the track, so they parking on the street. Okay, that's an echo if I turn that on. Man, how do I do this? Let me see. I'm gonna turn this voice up more right here. Forget it. Hey, I might just need to be closer. That's what it is, I think. Oh, here go a little thing I can put it on. Alrighty, guys. Here we are. Here back live at lookoutracing.com. Y'all think that's it? Is that I just needed to be closer? I need a stand. Come on, baby. What is it? Hey. Yeah, I'm just gotta get it comfortable. Ooh, that ain't a good spot. What about there? Alrighty. Hey. Back on the beat. Can't hear you better. Yep. Background noise. Way better. Okay, well, okay. Man, my AC on? Hold on. It done got hot. We're gonna replay that beat one more time. That was a cool little low. Okay. Alrighty, guys, we're here back. Attention in the pits. You got about 15 minutes to get your fuel or nitrous, guys. Hey, there we go. Yeah. 15 minutes to get your fuel and nitrous. No, you're not trying to race or fight this. Pull up, man, I know you really like this. Go to the bathroom and take a piss. Ooh, they about to go and race. Pulled up, man, I'm at the right place. Ooh, there it go, y'all. Man, I'm trying to ball and never fall. Ooh, I see a motherfucking pass. Finally got it back, COVID on his ass. TSV just got that COVID. Running boy just made me say, oh shit. Move your car, dude. It's in the way. They trying to race at the place. So move your car to the fucking back. But don't even come to this fucking track. Hey, here go a little Mustang. Ooh I know you about to feel the pain. Forever Grudge just came in the chat. Told him I'm glad y'all welcome him back. Hey, Forever Grudge just moved to the D, y'all. Know this the real place to be, y'all. I'm glad that he came back. Cause we used to be talking line, talking smack. I said, used to be online talking smack. Now forever good usually be in the back. Got 2 cameras on and he in the back. Man, hold up, I'm glad that he made it back. Hey, Field Trailer Sales about to sponsor me. Hope that he ain't trying to meet. Hey, Funky Town just said boom. Came in the bitch, I know he in the room. Jessica, where you at? Tacos. Put some new meat, I need some nachos. I went to concession stand, they said not those. Forever grudge in the house, guapo. Ooh, we Jessica. I need some cheese on this Mexican. Let's go to Trucker Cafe. Pull up in this bitch like I made it my day. Nigga said I got that wing flow. Hey, so is the your eyes closed? Yeah. I be closing my eyes when I rap like this, fool. Got my eyes closed every time that I rap. Got smoking weed, man, they think you a trap. Pull up, got the cell phone right in my lap. Coming through, man, I got the drone right in the trap. Hey, go to the track and go live. Pulling up, man, my cars got overdrive. I said both of my cars got the overdrive because I be on the road taking long rides. Hey, pulling up and know you nice surprise. You might catch me on 45. Yeah, how I know my head gasket blown, dog? Cause it won't stay real cool, dog. Duh, I did a little pressure check. Got shit coming in, this and out of that. I don't really know, I had to pop my hood. Then I checked my oil and checked my fluid. It wasn't good. Dang, got a blowed head. Ooh, I don't know how to fix that. About to call my homeboy. Ooh, you better fix yours. I can drive it to the track, but I don't know if I can make it back. Cause the bitch might run hot. And the head gasket shit cost me a lot. Hey, supercharge all in the pot. People looking at me, man, they all with the plot. I'm trying to give it all that I got. Got a small block. Hey, man, in my ears it sound even beat, voice, all good. How loud? Let me see some. So everything, oh, they giving away. Does it have a heater core in it? Nah, no heater core. Can't Rick get right, gonna be tight.